Do plants really need light to grow? Let's find out. Hello, explorers. Today, we're going to discover the truth behind a mystery in your garden. Do plants really need sunlight to grow? Let's test, observe, and find out just like real scientists. Before we begin our experiment, let's check what we already know. Q1. What do plants need to grow? Answer: water, air, light, and nutrients. Q2. Where do plants get their energy from? Answer: from sunlight through a process called photosynthesis. Q3. Which part of the plant makes food? Answer: the leaves, using sunlight. Let's do a fun and easy experiment to prove plants need light to grow. Materials needed for an experiment. We need 2 healthy plants, paper or cardboard, a window with sunlight, a notebook or a chart for observations. Steps to follow are: 1. Measure and record the starting height of both plants. 2. Put plant A near the window with full sunlight. 3. Put plant B in the same room but cover it with a paper cylinder to block the light. 4. Observe daily and record growth for 2 weeks. What do you think will happen after 14 days? Let's make a hypothesis. Expected result: plant A will grow taller and look greener. Plant B will be weak or pale, with little to no growth. Let's think like scientists. Q1. Why do plants grow towards light?
Think about it.
Answer: because of a natural process called phototropism. Q2. What might happen if a plant grows without sunlight for a long time? Answer: it will stop making food, become weak, and die. Q3. Can plants grow in artificial light? Yes. Some indoor lights can support growth, but sunlight is the best source of energy. Q4. What color light do you think plants grow best in? Try experimenting with red, blue, and green lights to see the difference. Scientists always dig deeper. Let's investigate more. I wonder, do plants grow better under different colored lights? Can they survive with artificial light only? Why are leaves green? Tip: chlorophyll gives leaves their green color and is vital for photosynthesis. Let's play a game. Can you spot the mistake in each sentence? Then fix it. 1. The earth would be very dark and hot without the sun.
The earth would be very dark and cold without the sun.
Respiration is the process by which plants make food. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make food. Over 3/4 of plant life lives in forests. Over 3/4 of plant life lives in the oceans. 4. Plants store sugars as protein. Correct answer: plants store sugars as starch, not protein. 5. If a plant's food store is used up, it will live longer. Correct answer: if a plant's food store is used up, it will die. After completing your experiment, it's time to present like real scientists. Show your growth chart. Compare both plants. Ask: which one grew more and why? Use bar graphs, drawings, or posters to explain your results to friends or classmates. Amazing fact time! Did you know? More than 75% of the world's plant life lives in the ocean. These underwater plants, like kelp, also use sunlight to survive. Quiz time: it's time to test your knowledge. Q1. What helps plants make food from sunlight? Chlorophyll, water, roots, chlorophyll. Q2. What happens to a plant without light? Grows stronger, stays healthy, becomes weak. Q3. What process helps plants make their food? Breathing, photosynthesis, digestion. Photosynthesis. Q4. Where do most plants live on Earth? Forest, oceans, desert. Oceans. Plants are amazing. They grow, respond, and even move toward light. Try this experiment at home or school and share what you learn. Every observation makes you a better scientist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science investigations.